Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to install apps from anywhere in Windows. First thing you need to do is press the Windows key and the I key to open up your settings, and then from here you press the navigate to apps, which is over here. Click on apps and then you click on advanced app settings. This is app and features. So scroll all the way down. Okay, it's not here. Let me see. Advanced app settings. It's okay. You see what's right here looking at us. Choose where to get apps. Installing apps only for Microsoft Store helps protect your device. So make sure it is set from anywhere. You have other options. You have anywhere, but let me know there's a comparable app in Microsoft Store. You have anywhere, but warn me before installing an app that's not for Microsoft Store. I also have Microsoft Store only. So if you want to install from anywhere, just leave it in anywhere. It's as simple as that. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.